So we have Audra here training with Scott. One of our programs is called Active Rehab. Active Rehab is a great program for a lot of ladies. Like Audra has been here for years. And sometimes we get a little worn down in the gym and we come in here and do some training to work on your injuries and pain. So when you came into the boot camp, what injuries were you trying to work through?
So I have a shoulder injury. So working on strength and mobility with band work with Scott's really helped. And I have knees, so I don't jump too much. So we do a lot of rehab on the knees as well.
Right. And then once you're in here, you obviously go back into
Oh,
class.
always.
So Scott's keeping you in
Yeah.
condition so you can keep doing your regular stuff, a regular training program, as
Right.
well as the active program. Scott, what kind of work do you do with Audra?
Yeah, so we work a lot on our core strength and conditioning. Core to help her with the exercises and conditioning to help her with the stamina and just form. A lot of times, because in the classes it can be fast paced and sometimes kind of get out of the proper form. So we kind of just go over that, kind of like a rebuffer.
Now, what are the number one benefits that you've achieved? Like I've seen you lean out. We're between the combination of the two. I've seen you have mobility increased. What other benefits you've received while training with Scott and the combination of doing both?
So during the classes, like it's more intense and quick pace. I do the classes 4 days a week. So on the fifth day, I like to work out with Scott just to stretch things out, tone things up, strengthen things out, and not so much high intensity. So it just eases into the weekend. Again, working on form, slowing things down, and doing things in the proper way.
And that's what the active program is about, is so you don't have to stop your training. When we do active rehab, it's not about coming in and just, working on slow moving pieces and slow moving parts. It's about training hard in here, working hard, but working on your deficiencies and your weaknesses. So when you go back in there, you don't have to slow down and you remain timeless like Audrey.